Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Boys and Girls English Podcast, the best place to learn and practice English in a fun way.
Hi, friends. And I'm so happy you're here today. We're going to talk about a very interesting topic: how to train your brain to speak in English.
Part 1, Understanding the Brain and English. Let's start simple. Our brain is like a muscle. When you go to the gym, you lift weights to make your body strong.
Yes, and when you learn English, you train your brain to make it strong in a new language.
When I started learning Spanish, I realized something. If you don't use it, you lose it.
That's so true. The same happens with English. If you don't speak, your brain forgets words. So, the more you speak, the stronger your English brain becomes.
That's why practice is super important. Even talking to yourself in English helps.
Exactly. Don't be shy. You can talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Say things like, "Good morning. How are you today?"
That's what I do every day. I wake up, look in the mirror, and say, "Hey Liam, you look awesome today."
Haha. That's a great way to start your day, with confidence and English.
Part 2, Daily English Habits. Now, let's talk about daily habits. Do you know what helps the brain remember English faster?
Listening every day. I love listening to English songs. It helps me learn new words and pronunciation.
Yes, music is great. Also, watching short videos or cartoons in English helps a lot.
I agree. I used to watch Peppa Pig and Friends. At first, I didn't understand everything, but after some weeks, my brain started to understand.
Because your brain learns through repetition. The more you hear English, the more your brain says, "Oh, I know this word."
Exactly. Repetition is like magic. It slowly teaches your brain to think in English.
Also, try to read small things, signs, menus, books for kids, or your phone settings in English.
That's smart. I changed my phone language to English last year. Now I even think in English sometimes.
Part 3, How the Brain Learns a Language. Do you know what's amazing? Our brain can learn a new language at any age.
Yes, some people say it's hard for adults, but that's not true. The brain is always learning.
When you listen and repeat English every day, your brain builds new connections.
It's like building roads in your brain. The more you practice, the easier it is to travel those roads.
That's right. At first, it feels slow, like walking on a small path. But later, it becomes a big highway.
And then English words just come to your mouth naturally.
It's amazing how the brain works. You just have to keep feeding it English.
Yes, your brain loves patterns. When it hears English often, it starts to predict what comes next.
That's why movies, podcasts, and conversations help more than grammar books.
Exactly. Books are good, but real English comes from listening and speaking.
Part 4, Tips to Train Your Brain. Okay, let's give some tips to train your brain for English speaking.
Tip number 1, listen to English every day, even for 10 minutes.
Tip 2, repeat what you hear. Don't just listen, say it out loud.
Tip 3, think in English. Try to describe what you see, like, the sky is blue, the bus is red.
Tip 4, use English in your life. When you write notes or make a shopping list, write in English.
Tip 5, learn with fun. Watch movies, sing songs, or play word games. Yes, every time you make a mistake, your brain says, "Oh, I'll remember that next time."
Tip 6, make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. They help your brain learn.
If you say one new word today, that's progress.
Tip 7, talk with friends. Even short English chats are great.
Tip 8, celebrate small wins.
Part 5, the power of practice. You know, training your brain is like planting a tree.
Yes, you water it every day, and slowly it grows.
If you stop watering it, it doesn't grow. English is the same.
That's why consistency is more important than perfection.
Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference after a few months.
Right, and don't wait for the perfect time. Just start speaking now.
I used to be scared of speaking English. But then I realized, no one laughs if you try.
People respect you when you try. They see your effort.
When I first talked to an American online, I was nervous. But he said, "Wow, your English is great."
See, confidence grows only when you practice.
Part 6, Fun English Brain Games. Let's share some fun games to train your English brain.
Okay, game 1, word hunt. Look around your room and name 5 objects in English.
Game 2, Category Race. Choose a topic, like fruits. Say apple, banana, mango, orange, grape.
Game 3, describe and guess. Describe something in English and let your friend guess.
Game 4, Daily Journal. Write 2 lines every night in English about your day.
Game 5, English karaoke. Sing English songs to improve pronunciation.
Haha, that's my favorite. I always sing Let It Be by the Beatles.
Me too. Singing makes learning fun. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.